Hi, I'm Stacy, the 3D printed Stratabot.
I'm Bob.
You sound tired. Had a long trip?
I was made in a factory far away from here. I came out of a mold, they painted me, packed me up, and shipped me away.
Seriously? You went through all of that just to get here?
Why? How long did it take you?
I was actually printed overnight in full color using multi-materials in the Stratasys 3D printer in the next room.
Hey, Stacy! Oh man, alone again. Looks like we need to print another Stratabot. Wow, how did they get a new one of you here so fast?
That's 3D printing for you. Concept, design, manufacture. 3D printing for digital manufacturing. Make it with Stratasys.